Blood thinners are medicines that prevent blood clots from forming, and help blood flow smoothly through your veins and arteries. While blood thinners are helpful in many ways, they can also cause side effects in some people. Excessive bleeding is the most common reaction, and can occur in several ways including heavy periods, bloody or discolored urine or feces, nosebleeds, bleeding gums, and prolonged bleeding from a cut. To be on the safe side and reduce the risk of blood clots, you can always try some foods and herbs that are natural anticoagulants, and can help prevent your blood from clotting. Hence we are listing some of the best natural blood thinners to prevent blood clots. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is an herb that can effectively help reduce blood clotting, and also reduce your risk of a stroke. In addition, it promotes healthy blood circulation throughout the body. To enjoy its immense health benefits, all you need to do is add ginger to any of your juices, broths or cooked dishes. Also, you may drink 2 or 3 cups of ginger tea daily. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is best known for its natural anti-inflammatory herb, but it also works as a natural blood thinner. This happens mainly due to its curcumin content. Curcumin can help prevent your platelets from clumping together and forming clots. To gain its benefits, add turmeric powder to tea, curry, salads and other meals. Also, you may drink a glass of turmeric milk daily before going to bed. Number 3. Garlic. Sulfur-containing compounds like adenosine, allicin and paraffinic polysulfides contained in garlic act as blood thinners. Garlic can also lower blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which in turn can reduce the risk of plaque formation and heart attacks. All you need to do is eat 2 or 3 raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach on a daily basis. Number 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains coumarin, which is a chemical that acts as a powerful anticoagulant. This sweet spice is even capable of lowering blood pressure and relieving inflammatory conditions. To gain its benefits, you may add cinnamon powder to numerous dishes and beverages you have daily. Number 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains a chemical called capsaicin which can help clear away artery-narrowing lipid deposits. It also helps dilate arteries and blood vessels to clear away clots, and also helps lower the concentration of fibrin, an insoluble protein that plays a key role in clot formation. So, do try these remedies which can act as a natural blood thinner, and replace the side effect causing medications you have.